Hey everybody, in this video I've got a challenge lock here. It's pinned up by the Briarberry Cove, the old gray mare it says. So, give it a try here. And we're going to try using a pry bar for tension and a pick to lift the pins. Seems like a pretty solid strategy. I'll click on 5, 4, 3 was kind of crunchy, not crunchy, I'm sorry, kind of mushy, to use the technical term. And 3, 4, and 5 are clicking again. Not getting any feedback through the tension wrench though, like no false sets or no rotation or counter rotation or anything. Okay, there's a big click out of 1. So wondering if maybe pin 2 is, well, no. Let's just poke around for a little bit here and see what happens. Sometimes, you know, if there's serrated pins or anything in there, you know, if you overset them, you can sometimes rake them back down by letting off a little bit of tension and just running the pick across everything. I'm kind of curious now to see what's inside of this. Helpful Lock Picker on his channel. I'll link the video right around now. Just picked the lock after this. These are numbered. This was number 4. He just picked number 5 on his channel yesterday. And it was basically a standard lock. I think it was actually the same key. So I kind of thought this might be the same thing, but if there's nothing done to it, there's got to be something done to it. Otherwise it would be open already. We've got a little bit of rotation now. Try letting off a little bit of tension here and see if I've overset something. Alright, my guess is I've overset a bunch of stuff. Reset and try again here. There it goes. Yeah, just wasn't pushing as hard that time. Second time through there, or second reset or whatever. Alright, so this key works, so we can lock her back and grab a pinning tray. And see, we got this, guys. We got C-clip on it. And I'm thinking now this might be all standard pins, I don't know. And this friggin' thing. Alright, and we need a follower. Yeah, I guess since we're making a video, I'll try to do this on camera. What the hell, huh? Alright. So far, so good. Alright, and there's all 5 key pins, and they are all standard. And I see no modification to the plug. And I don't know if you guys watch my channel at all, but I usually have trouble finding my tweezers, and this time I didn't. And I just noticed that too. You could spin this around and dump all the pins. Key pins, anyway. Alright, number 1 shot out of there, and that's just a standard driver. And a brass spring. And looks like I do see some serrations. Wow, man, shot out of there too. I think these drivers are probably longer than normal ones, maybe. Another brass spring. That one's actually kind of stretched out. And I'll show you the chambers. I see chamber 1 is serrated. I don't think 2 is. Alright, and there's a serrated pin in chamber 3. That must have been what all the clicking and crunching was about. Brass spring. And chamber 3 is definitely serrated. And number 4, standard driver. Another brass spring. And last but not least, oh shit. There, number 5, it shot out of there. Also a standard driver. And get the spring out of that guy. Okay, and another brass spring. Alright, let's see what we can see in here. Looks like we got chambers. Let's see if we can get this on camera somehow here. Maybe I can shine it. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we've got chambers number 1, 3, and 5 are actually threaded. Very nice. And whoever gets this next, you want to be careful not to spin the key all the way around, or you'll dump the key pins out. So, 3 3 threaded chambers. It looks like just one serrated driver, and everything else is standard pins. And let's see. All right, guys, and that'll do it for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.